Happy Sankranti everyone. This afternoon, our house, the House of Hawks, is going to be representing the states of Odisha and Andhra Pradesh.
Odisha, the battleground for the famous Kalinga War, fought by Ashoka the Great, lies on the country's east coast. When the sun rises here, it rises over a land of temples thriving on top of a solid foundation laid by heritage.
Hope you too have experienced the zeal of Makara Sankranti in Odisha.
Yes, indeed. It was a feast to my eyes watching the people of Odisha celebrating the festival of Sankranti. Let us, the people of Andhra, show you a glimpse of Sankranti in Andhra Pradesh. Oh wait, before you experience our celebrations, I would love to share more about Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh presents a glorious synthesis of culture against a colorful natural backdrop. Varied wildlife, rich history, vivid culture and majestic architecture make Andhra Pradesh a destination of endless surprises.
मधुरा पुरी सदना मृदु वदना मधुसूदन हि स्वागतं कृष्ण चरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरा पुरी सदना मृदु वदना मधुसूदन हि स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरा पुरी सदना मृदु वदना मधुसूदन हि स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरा पुरी सदना मृदु वदना मधुसूदन हि स्वागतं कृष्ण कृष्ण
Wow, I can see the beauty in the festival Sankranti by just having a glance at their dance. To add more fervor to any festivals, food, food, food. My mouth is watering just by thinking about Makar Chawla.
What is Makar Chawla?
Sushmita, here in Odisha, during Makar Sankranti, people prepare Makar Chawla, a recipe with rice and jaggery as the main ingredients, and where they offer it to as Naivedyam to shrines such as the Puri Jagannath temple and worship the god of the sun, where farmers hope for an abundant yield.
Is it? Makar Chawla is so similar to our dish Chakra Pongali. It is so enriching to experience our similarities although we belong to different states.
Guys, not just the food. The main idea behind celebrating the festival either in Odisha or in Andhra is to mark the beginning of the harvest time.
Farmer worships sun god. Sun god of Puri Jagannath temple in Odisha and Suryanarayana Swami in Andhra Pradesh. Farmers of Andhra Pradesh and Odisha praise sun god for good harvest that would bring health, wealth and prosperity.
Yes, adding to that, while people of Andhra begin Sankranti festivities with Bhogi, a bonfire with positivism of discarding outdated things and ideas, and to welcome new things and new ideas to prosper.
Sai Prasad, I've heard that in some Odisha regions, people celebrate the bond of friendship, and this tradition is known as Makar Bhasma. Can you tell us a little more about it?
Sankranti celebrations in Odisha is not just a festival of harvest, but also of long-lasting friendship, that is Makar Bhasma. The second day of Makar Sankranti in Andhra is known as Big Festival.
That's interesting, Sai Prasad. Here's another fascinating tradition in Andhra. With the skyline getting dotted with colorful kites, the front places of the houses adorned with mesmerizing rangolis, a visit from the Haridasu will make the festivities of Sankranti complete. As the winter sun pierces through the fog, the tuneful rendition of a Haridasu from Sundarakanda or Bhagavatam makes an auspicious beginning for people. Dressed in an attire unique to the art form, the Haridasu is not only a symbol of our culture and tradition, but also the one who ushers in the festive spirit associated with Sankranti. హిందువుల నమ్మకం ప్రకారం హరిదాసు అనగా దేవుడితో సమానం. హరిదాసుకి పేద ధనిక భేదం లేకుండా అందరి ఇంటికి వెళ్తారు. Here we have Valli ma'am and Vidyalakshmi ma'am narrating the story of Pongal as a Harikatha.
హరిదాసులు అన్నీ ఉంటాయి. అదేనా అక్క? అవును అదే. అయితే వినండి. హేమంత ఋతువు వచ్చేరా తందాన తన, హేమంత ఋతువు వచ్చేరా తందాన తన, తందాన తన, ధనుర్మాసం వచ్చేరా తందాన తన, ధనుర్మాసం వచ్చేరా తందాన తన, సంక్రాంతి లక్ష్మి
చేతులే కణకణ కణకణ కిరణ కాంతులే జగ 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 జలు సూర్యుడే చక 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 మకర రాశిలో మెరిసే మురిసే సంక్రాంతి బగ 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 భోగి